Welcome back to Youtubify. Today, we're diving into the world of pure photography magic, the Nikon ZF Mark II. With its classic retro design fused with next-gen performance, this camera isn't just about taking pictures, it's about making history. Stick around as we break down why this beauty is creating so much buzz in 2025. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest. Retro design with modern engineering. The Nikon ZF Mark II immediately stands out because of its beautiful retro styling. At first glance, it looks like a film camera straight from the 80s, with tactile dials, engraved markings, and that classic Nikon look. But when you pick it up, you quickly realize it's a modern machine built with a durable magnesium alloy frame and weather sealing for outdoor shooting. Unlike many mirrorless cameras that focus purely on function, Nikon clearly wanted the ZF Mark II to feel personal. Those dials give you satisfying manual control, making the shooting process tactile and immersive. It's not just about specs, it's about enjoying the craft of photography again. Sensor and image quality. Under the hood, the ZF Mark II houses a next-generation full-frame sensor paired with Nikon's latest XP processor. This combo delivers sharpness, excellent color science, and an impressive dynamic range. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or street photography, you'll notice how natural skin tones look and how shadows and highlights retain detail. In low light conditions, the camera really shines, producing clean images at higher ISOs where older models would struggle. This makes the ZF Mark II not just stylish, but reliable for professional work. You can confidently use it for weddings, commercial shoots, or travel, knowing your files are going to look beautiful right out of the camera. Autofocus that keeps up. One of the biggest improvements here is autofocus. Nikon has integrated AI-powered subject recognition, which tracks people, animals, vehicles, and even birds with incredible precision. The eye detection is sticky and accurate, locking onto your subject even when they're moving quickly or partially obscured. If you're shooting fast action, think sports or wildlife, the burst shooting performance ensures you don't miss a moment. Videographers also benefit, since the AF system works just as well in video mode, providing smooth transitions without the hunting effect you sometimes see in older systems. Video performance for creators. Let's move into video. The Nikon ZF Mark II is very much a hybrid camera, designed to satisfy both photographers and videographers. It offers 4K recording up to 60 frames per second, 10-bit internal capture, and access to N-Log and HLG profiles, giving you flexibility for grading. The in-body image stabilization is fantastic, making handheld shots look smooth and cinematic. Combined with Nikon's color science, the footage has a clean, natural look that's easy to work with in post. If you're a vlogger or filmmaker, the fully articulating LCD screen is a blessing. You can frame yourself easily, shoot at creative angles, or get low-down shots without breaking your back. In short, this isn't just a photography tool, it's a serious video camera too. Handling and ergonomics. Beyond the looks, the Nikon ZF Mark II handles like a dream. The grip is comfortable, the dials are customizable, and the interface is intuitive. For photographers coming from Nikon DSLRs, the transition feels natural. I especially like how Nikon kept the manual dial control layout, but also included quick menus and digital shortcuts for when you need speed. It's a smart balance between old school and new school. And let's not forget durability. This camera feels like it could survive years of heavy use. Nikon clearly built it with working professionals in mind. Connectivity and workflow. For modern creators, workflow is just as important as image quality. Nikon included dual card slots, one CF Express Type B and one SD card, for flexibility and backup security. Wireless transfer is smooth thanks to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and with Nikon SnapBridge app, sharing photos straight to your phone is seamless. Tethering options are also available, which is great for studio shooters who need instant previews. These might seem like small details, but they're what make the ZF Mark II practical in real-world professional environments. How it compares to competitors. Now you might be wondering, how does it stack up against rivals like the Sony a7 IV or the Canon R6 Mark II? In terms of raw specs, it's right up there. The ZF Mark II holds its own in autofocus, image quality, and video features. Where it stands out is in its design philosophy. Sony and Canon may deliver similar performance, but they don't have this retro soul. The ZF Mark II is a camera that not only delivers but also inspires you to go out and shoot. That unique blend of nostalgia and performance is what makes it special. Who should buy the Nikon ZF Mark II? This camera isn't for everyone. If you want the smallest, lightest travel camera, there are more compact options. If you're strictly shooting sports at the highest frame rates, Nikon Z9 or Z8 might serve you better. But if you're someone who values both aesthetics and performance, if you want a camera that's as enjoyable to hold as it is powerful, then the ZF Mark II is perfect. It's for hybrid creators, professional photographers who appreciate Nikon color science, and enthusiasts who want a camera that makes photography fun again. Final verdict: a camera with character. At the end of the day, the Nikon ZF Mark II isn't just another mirrorless camera. It's a camera with character. It respects Nikon's heritage while pushing forward with modern technology. It delivers professional results in both photography and video, while giving you the joy of manual controls and classic design. It's not just about taking pictures, it's about the experience of creating. And that's something many modern cameras forget. Nikon didn't. That's all for today's look at the Nikon ZF Mark II, a camera that proves style and power can go hand in hand. Whether you're a pro or just passionate about capturing life, this one deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest.